Get ready for an extreme chopped showdown.
I gotta make it count.
16 returning champions.
Got behind you guys.
5 grueling battles.
Coming through hot.
Outstanding mystery ingredients. Only one chef left standing in the end.
This is very intense competition.
Who will take the tournament and the $50,000 prize? And who
I want to win this so bad.
will
This is a battle.
be
I'm a true champion.
chopped? You know the rules from last time, chefs. 3 rounds, mandatory mystery ingredients. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. But if you win, your prize will be securing a coveted spot in the grand finale competition, where you'll compete for $50,000. Please open your baskets. And your appetizers must include tomatillos, horned melon, wonton skins, and Rocky Mountain oysters. You have exactly 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I never heard of Rocky Mountain oysters, but who doesn't like oysters? I want to start with the tomatillos and make a little salsa. You know what, this might actually even be really good inside the wonton.
Rocky Mountain oysters are pretty sizable, so my compliments to the bowl. Thank you. Do not work with a lot of testicles in the pastry world. My first instinct is dredge them in the flour and fry them.
This preparation takes basically no time. I'm gonna fry them and just keep it really simple. That worked for me the last time I was here, so I'm just gonna stick with it.
I decided to draw on recollections of the South. My mother's actually from Birmingham, Alabama. I want to poach it in a bit of buttermilk and seasoned flour.
The testicles are searing up nicely, and the smell from the pan is fantastic. I know that sounds weird, but it smelled great. And the pan juices are just gonna really tie everything together.
I'm gonna come up with something different to do with the wonton wrappers. I'm thinking fry each one and make a Napoleon.
I need something to blend the flavors more together. So I just make a nice little apple salad.
1 minute to go, chefs.
I'm really pressing the clock at this point.
Is she playing it?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef McKenzie.
Today I prepared for you a Napoleon of Rocky Mountain oysters and tomatillo horned melon salsa.
Chef Madison.
We've got a play on a fried green tomato with the tomatillo, horned fruit pot sticker. And we also have like a buttermilk Rocky Mountain oyster.
Chef Jessica.
Today for you, I did a pan-fried Rocky Mountain oyster, wonton arugula salad, and spicy mayonnaise with the tomatillo and horned melon.
Finally, Chef Poppy.
I made a steamed tomatillo salsa wonton with a pan-seared Rocky Mountain oyster and a little bit of the pan drippings on top.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Jessica, in this round, all the chefs did a really admirable job with a very difficult basket, yourself included. What it came down to for us is that there were 2 ingredients, specifically the tomatillo and the horned melon, that you sort of rendered obscure. So for that reason, we can't let you move on today.
Thank you.
Chef McKenzie, Chef Madison, Chef Poppy. On the long, tough road to the $50,000 prize, your next obstacle is this entree course. Please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are dorade, baby beets, beef jerky, and coffee liqueur. You will have 30 minutes this time, and the clock starts now.
At the restaurant, 5 days a week at least, I'm cooking fish. At this point, I'm thinking pan-seared dorade with sautéed beet tops.
The dorade, I'm gonna coat it in cornmeal, cayenne, onion powder, and smoked paprika. And then pan-sear it. Today, I'm showing my daughter, no matter what you do, put your love in it and do your best.
I hate fish. As I'm hacking this fish off, I decide I'm gonna make a pan-seared dorade with braised beet green. So I just cut right down the middle and take that whole strip of pin bones right out and hope the portion size doesn't end up screwing me.
I saute the beets and beef jerky. Fold in the green tops, apple, red onion.
Want to braise the beet greens with the beef jerky. Key part of that is stock. It was right here last time. I can't find it, so I go with water. And with the rest of the beets, I'm just gonna shred them up and make a nice raw little beet salad.
Whoa, oh boy. And we got a boil over.
I see Madison's pot starting to explode with boiling water.
My bad. Cheers. Thank you.
He's lucky because his pot is boiling, whereas mine is not.
The burner is just not hot.
At this point, I'm concerned about getting the potatoes cooked in time.
Chefs, got to get everything onto those plates.
Everything, hurry.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Madison.
What I decided to do is pan-seared dorade with baby beetroot, beef jerky, and a little coffee liqueur, gastrique.
Chef Poppy.
I did a pan-seared dorade with braised beet greens featuring the beef jerky and a raw beet salad.
Chef Mackenzie.
I have prepared a sautéed filet of dorade with a coffee cream, jerky red bliss potatoes, and sautéed beet tops.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Chef Mackenzie, it's clear that you're a great chef. And as they say, great chefs sometimes have bad days. Your decision to put undercooked potatoes on that plate is a reason why we're not moving you on today.
Please open your baskets. And you must use Yukon Gold potatoes, condensed milk, pomegranates, and peanut butter taffy. 30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I took home the prize because I was the first person to ever use the ice cream machine on Chopped. I'm thinking ice cream again with the pomegranate. The strategy is get that juice out. Pomegranates are not sweet enough on their own, so I gotta get some sugar in there. My #1 priority is to get the pomegranate frozen by the time I gotta plate these dishes. Melted goo is not gonna get me a shot at 50 grand. That's loud.
My first thought when I see the potatoes is roasted and turned in burnt sugar. Everything I do, I try to personalize. And my wife being Danish, potatoes rolled in sugar. It's a traditional side dish at Christmas in Denmark. I'm gonna roll them in some caramelized sugar, put a hint of rosemary, and the nutmeg and the cinnamon on top. Job done.
Get out of there. So I pull out my gelato, and it's looking okay. Then I think maybe if I add some pink peppercorns into the gelato, it might really put it over the top. And they all dump in. But it sucked.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Poppy.
I made a pomegranate gelato with pink peppercorns, sweet fries, and a peanut butter mascarpone gravy.
Chef Madison.
Today we've got roasted potato turned in burnt sugar, and pomegranate and rum custard over the top.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Poppy, you have been chopped.
Congrats, bro.
Poppy, it was an exciting day. It's always exciting to watch the Chopped champions cook. Unfortunately, the Rocky Mountain oysters were a little undercooked. The main course, your struggle with the fish was pretty apparent. And then, of course, the pink peppercorns kind of got you in the end.
It's been fun. It's been an honor and a pleasure.
And that means, Chef Madison, that you are once again the Chopped champion, and you win the coveted spot in the grand finale and a shot at $50,000. Congratulations.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Pick up my little girl, call my lady, and say, we're moving on.
What it's really about is your family. It's what it sounds like.
if I can. This is little thing she wrote for me. Everything I do, that's my heart, and she's my soldier.
Good luck to you in the next round.
Thank you so much, Chef.